Hi everyone! So itong topic natin ngayon is all about adding integers. And dito, meron tayo ditong 6 examples that you might encounter. So let's start with letter A. So we have here 3 plus 2. So dito, nag-add tayo ng dalawang positive number. Si positive 3 and then si positive 2. So kapag nag-add tayo ng dalawang positive number, the result is also positive. So therefore, we have 3 plus 2 that is equal to positive 5. And then for letter B, we have here negative 1 plus negative 4. So dito naman, nag-add tayo ng dalawang negative number. So therefore, yung magiging sign ng ating sagot ay negative. And then we just add the 2 numbers. So we have 1 plus 4, so that is equal to 5. So therefore, we have negative 5. And then for letter C, we have here negative 5 plus 7. So for our first step, tingnan natin muna yung sign ng ating larger number. So yung sign ni 7 ay positive. So therefore, yung magiging sign ng ating sagot ay positive. And then next, isubtract natin yung 2 numbers. So dapat unahin natin yung larger number. So we have 7 minus 5. And 7 minus 5 is positive 2. And then for letter D, we have here 6 plus negative 3. So yung sign ng ating larger number, si 6 ay positive. So therefore, yung magiging sign ng ating sagot ay positive. And then dito naman, kung mapapansin nyo, meron tayong positive and then yung nakasunod ay negative sign. So kapag nauna yung positive sign, tanggalin natin and then proceed tayo sa subtraction. So therefore, we have 6 minus 3. And 6 minus 3 is positive 3. And then for letter E, we have here 7 plus negative 9. So first, tingnan natin yung magiging sign ng ating sagot. So yung sign ng larger number ay negative. So therefore, magiging negative yung sign ng ating sagot. And then let's proceed to subtraction. So unahin natin yung larger number. Then i-minus natin yung smaller number. So we have 9 minus 7. So that is 2. So we have negative 2. And then sa letter F, negative 8 plus 2. So yung sign ng ating larger number ay negative. So in that case, magiging negative yung sign ng ating sagot. And then again, let's proceed to subtraction. So 8 minus 2. And 8 minus 2, we have 6. So therefore, we have negative 6 as our final answer. And aside from this, pwede nating sagutan to using number line. So first, iguhit muna natin yung number line natin. So tapos na tayo dito sa ating number line. So for our first step, kunin natin si positive 3. And then markahan natin. Now, kapag nag-add tayo ng positive number, mag-move tayo dito sa right side. And then kapag naman nag-add tayo ng negative number, mag-move tayo dito sa left side. So next, since nag-add tayo ng positive 2, so that means mag-move tayo dito sa right side. So mag-move tayo ng 2 units. So we have 1, 2. So therefore, we have positive 5. Now how about letter B? So first, let's draw our number line. So first, kunin natin si negative 1 and then markahan natin. Now since nag-add tayo ng negative number, so that means mag-move tayo dito sa left side. So mag-move tayo ng 4 units to the left. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So therefore, we have negative 5. And then for letter C, okay? So kunin natin si negative 5 and then markahan natin. Now, nag-add tayo ng positive number. So mag-move tayo dito sa right side. So mag-move tayo ng 7 units. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So therefore, we have positive 2. Okay, so that's how we visualize how to add integers using number line. Now, pwede niyong itry dito sa letter D, E, and F. So dito naman, we have here practice exercises. And now, let's begin with number 1. So meron tayo dito ang 15 plus 12. So positive 15 plus positive 12. So ang sign ng ating magiging sagot ay positive. So 15 plus 12 ay 27. And then for number 2, we have here 9 plus negative 4. So we have positive and then yung next naman ay negative. So ang gagawin natin dyan, tanggalin natin yung positive sign. So we have 9 minus 4. And then 9 minus 4 is positive 5. And for number 3, we have here negative 4 plus 4. And kung mapapansin nyo, we have the same integer or number. And then meron silang negative and then positive na sign. So therefore, kapag may nakita kayong ganyan, yung sagot natin dyan ay 0. Okay? Number 4, negative 13 plus 7. So first, tingnan natin yung sign ng larger number. So yung sign ni 13 ay negative. So that means magiging negative yung sign ng ating sagot. And then next, let's proceed to subtraction. So we have 13 minus 7. And 13 minus 7 is 6. So we have negative 6. And sa number 5, we have here negative 5 plus negative 6. So dito, nag-add tayo ng 2 negative number. So therefore, magiging negative yung result ng ating sagot. And then let's proceed to addition. So 5 plus 6 is 11. So we have negative 11. And number 6, negative 6 plus negative 9. So same case with number 5. So, kopyahin natin yung negative sign. And then, let's add 6 and 9. So, we have negative 15. And then number 7, we have here 8 plus negative 5. So, again, meron tayo ditong positive and then negative. So, tanggalin na natin yung positive sign. So, magiging 8 minus 5. So, we have positive 3. And for number 8, negative 20 plus 15. So, first, tingnan natin muna yung sign ng ating larger number. So, yung larger number natin ay may negative sign. So, therefore, negative yung sign ng ating sagot. And then, let's proceed to subtraction. 20 minus 15. So, we have 5. So, therefore, negative 5 yung sagot natin dito. And then, number 9, negative 18 plus 30. So, yung sign ng ating larger number, which is si 30, ay positive. So, therefore, magiging positive yung sign ng ating sagot. And then, let's proceed to subtraction. But first, unahin natin si larger number and then si smaller number. And 30 minus 18, so that is equal to positive 12. And then last, 42 plus negative 22. So, meron tayo ditong positive and then negative. So, tanggalin natin yung positive sign. So, we have 42 minus 22. And that is equal to positive 20. Okay, that's it. Tapos na tayo. So, keep on practicing. And if you also like to learn how to subtract integers, i-click nyo lang tong YouTube channel natin, Numerati Enigma.